video and make it a reality with the Commodore Amiga. If you follow the lifeline of a live television broadcast, you'll discover the heart is a Commodore Amiga computer.
Through and cue.
A production like this incorporates television equipment of every description, and it's all compatible with the Commodore Amiga.
Yeah, 34. That's good, actually. It's amazing. 4.
This live broadcast signal is being fed directly through an Amiga 2000, which is downstream keying graphics and titles. It's not just the signal that is exciting television professionals, it's what you can do with it. Using a Genlock, it's easy to combine computer-generated images and video. With the simple push of a button, it's possible to key graphics or transition a full-page overscan graphic onto live or pre-recorded video, all meeting broadcast specifications.
What I really like about the Amiga is the amount of transitions available. You can simply jazz up a whole presentation. When you combine an Amiga computer with the proper Genlock, you can clearly see that it generates a broadcast quality signal.
Claudia Ferris is a broadcast editor who uses the Amiga 2000. It's a vital component of this production facility and integrates with all editing equipment. With Amiga graphics, you can effectively convey statistical information, explain complex technical details easily, and for the global markets, translate your message to other languages. From the classroom to the boardroom, the Amiga meets your educational and business needs. It's a short step to bring your graphics to life with the Amiga's animation capabilities. With 3D animation, you can render an object from all sides, position your light source, and choose your camera angles, giving you all the freedom to create.
My favorite thing, the bottom line, is the fact that it can render, ray trace an image. To be able to compose an image and look at it and see another world. That's the thing.
Very simply, ray tracing is a special form of computer-generated graphics that calculates shadows and reflections, giving your animations added depth and a sense of realism.
For the price range, there's nothing that compares. The range of software available, the price range of the hardware, you just can't compete. There's no way.
To create these animations, you require one of the unique features of the Amiga, multitasking. This means you can do 3 or 4 different tasks at the same time. For example, you can design in one program, create objects in another, while animating in a third program.
Working for the TV medium, I think that's a great combination. The resolution is there, the power is there. You can do it.
An essential element of any video is the soundtrack. The music you are hearing was composed entirely with an Amiga.
use the Amiga as a sequencer. What I can do is I can store all the digital information for drums or for guitar sounds or for whatever, and then it plays back those particular sounds. And by getting the Amiga, what it did is it gave me opportunity to compose as a non-composer, basically. I mean, I had very little musical background, but because I can do things in step time and have access to lots of different sounds, I can sit here and I can compose an entire orchestra. When I saw the Amiga, I just saw so much potential in so many different areas that it covered all of the needs that I wanted to be fulfilled. I set up this facility to be a one-stop shop for musicians. So when they come through the doorway, they can get access to a recording studio, desktop publishing, word processing, and if they're involved with videos, they can do animations and tightening effects, all with the one computer.
The possibilities of the Amiga are stretching imaginations. The options unleashed by this computer only look difficult. Graphic artist Mark Grady shows you how simple it can be.
Starting with a digitized image of a map, the first step is to outline the map of Canada in a bright color, namely orange.
With the wide variety of paint and animation programs available, you can produce cost-effective graphics for industrial and broadcast applications.
I was very interested to see if, using my broadcast experience, I could make the Amiga perform up to the standards of the broadcast equipment, which of course is considerably more expensive.
The Commodore Amiga provides the user with a universe of 4,096 colors. With the Amiga's point-and-click menu system, all your options are at your fingertips.
I see the machine becoming, I would say, just every bit as sophisticated as the broadcast equipment that I used to work on, at literally a tenth of the cost.
On Amiga computers.
The programs are incredibly easy to learn. Like I say, I'm not literate as far as computers go, but I taught myself on the Amiga. Within about a month, I was up and running.
Sandra Goody creates full-page graphic backgrounds, which broadcast a wide variety of information for Rogers Business Channel.
I would recommend the Amiga, not only because of business programs. I mean, that's certainly one aspect of it. You've got word processing programs, yet you also have this wonderful artistic tool. So If you're inclined both ways, then it's the perfect computer to have, either in business or as a home computer, and it's affordable.
Tom Lee Music has opened an innovative new store designed to lead musicians in new directions. Guiding the way is the Commodore Amiga.
Well, I think when you ask a musician what the future holds for him is probably the assimilation of more computer technology and video technology into his palette. The Amiga was designed from the ground up as a multimedia machine. Anybody in the industry now can pretty well recognize that multimedia is the next step in several different areas of high technology.
The Mandela program is a perfect example of multimedia. The camera shoots the hand, which triggers computer events, in this case, MIDI instruments.
What makes the Amiga unique to us at Tom Lee is the fact that it neatly addresses the worlds of video technology, music technology, and computer graphics all from one central workstation.
The Commodore Amiga is the multimedia machine. It's compatible with CD-ROMs and Laserdiscs, making the possibilities of interactive video unlimited.
Without the Amiga, you wouldn't be seeing this video at all. We've created the entire thing on it.
Commodore is at the forefront of multimedia with its innovative authoring system, Amiga Vision. It's powerful and simple to use, combining all the elements no matter what your communication needs.
By having the Amiga, it's allowed me to be a composer.
The thing about the Amiga is you can really achieve any look that you want.
It's the next generation of Amigas that will continue to expand the boundaries of desktop video. And the new Amiga A3000 will revolutionize computers in the video world.
I think the favorite thing about the Amiga for me is the fact that basically I've been able to do everything I wanted to do on it.
I'm learning something every day, new ways to stretch the computer to do something it wouldn't do before.
Ask your authorized Commodore dealer for more information and a demonstration. Put the Amiga desktop video systems to work for you. Commodore Amiga, the video solution.
That's it. Bye, folks.